Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can mute slide transitions in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to presentation, the first step, and let's assume you implemented or applied a transition for your slides, and these may contain, for example, sound. Now if you'd like to mute these for copyright reasons, for instance, you can do this the following way. Navigate to the slide tab at the top, navigate to slide transition menu here at the bottom, and here to the right select your slide transition, and before you apply it by clicking into this button, make sure that you switch to no sound here so that it is muted. Otherwise, if you choose any of the other ones, it will be applied to your transition. So I'm going to keep it muted with no sound, apply it by clicking into this button. That's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.